Introducing BizPortals File Dropbox, a streamlined solution for uploading files across multiple libraries within your portal using a unified interface. This feature supports a wide array of document formats, including MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDFs, and image files. Effortlessly upload numerous documents at once by simply dragging them from your computer and dropping them into the designated web part. To initiate the drag-and-drop process, select your documents, drag them to the web part, and release them, ensuring efficient file management and organization. Steps to add File Dropbox on a modern site or pages and configure it. First, we need to click on the Page Edit option, and then click on plus icon and write BizPortals File Dropbox. Users can configure BizPortals File Dropbox web part as per their requirements. By clicking on the Configure button, a side panel will appear. Fill the necessary details. Web part title. This title can be easily adjusted or changed based on your needs. This title can be used to select on the content that is being displayed or the targeted audience that it's for. Web part description. Users can write a brief description which explains the information related to content which has been displayed in the web part. Set background image. It allows users to set a predefined image that the system will set image in background. The image is for background on web part display. Clear background image. It provides users with the option to revert to the default image specified by the system. Show border. Enable this feature to add a visible border around the web part, enhancing its visual distinction and clarity. Configure libraries. Users can utilize this feature to add libraries, which can then be used for uploading files. Select Site/Subsite. Choose a site from the drop-down menu where you want to upload the items. This defines the primary location within the SharePoint site collection. Select Library. Choose the library where you wish to upload files. Select Folder. Select this checkbox if you want to upload files to any specific folder. Folder path. Choose the folder where you wish to upload files. Select Fields. Choose columns from this menu. You will need to fill in these details when uploading files, and they will be displayed in the Document Library columns. Web part layout settings. Select Header layout. There are different options to choose from. If you pick the first 5 options, the header will be displayed. The header will be displayed as shown in Options. But if you choose the 6th or 7th option, you can add an image or logo to the header respectively. Display web part title. Enable this button if you want to display the title. Web part height. Adjust height of web part by sliding the range bar according to the requirement. Customize theme. Enable this option to personalize the web part's visual appearance by applying a custom background theme. This is achieved by entering adjacent code into the theme editor. Web part feedback settings. Specify feedback subject and the recipient's email address to whom feedback-related emails will be sent related to this web part. Upload. To upload files quickly, you can either drag and drop single or multiple files directly into the interface or use the Upload button to select files from your local computer. Select Library. This drop-down enables users to choose the library where they wish to upload documents. Select Folder. Users can use this option to select the folder where they want to upload files, and the folder path will be displayed in the web part. Go to Library. This option enables users to navigate directly to the selected library. Thanks for watching the video.